Break ID number 1111. 2017 Preferred Football 1-box break. This one had one filler, good for 3 spots. David, Jacob, and Joseph. So let's randomize each side 3 times, and whoever lands next to wherever the winner lands will get 3 spots in 1111. The winner is third from the bottom. And Joseph, H.A., gets the 3. A little bit of a long shot. And the alphabetical list. Oh, you guys. Where is it? Alphabetical list. Hello? Oh my goodness. Operator error. There it is. Jeepers. And mix it up. You weren't invited, John? I'm not even really sure why this is live, because everybody's here. Maybe we're live because you couldn't make it. Joseph H.A. got the filler. And there is the list. 2 free spots. David C.A. with his Bears. And Sean M.O. with the Bills. Here we go. I only have 2 of these boxes left at this price. I'll probably put them up this weekend. So just keep an eye out for them. I don't know what the next price will be. If I do a guaranteed break, I need to announce it long before now to get enough eyes in front of it. First card. Preferred Rookie Penmanship, 19 of 49, Marlon Mack. To the Colts. Sean, M.O. Like this one, short print, vet auto, 8 of 10, Jack Youngblood. Eight of 10. To the Rams, Sean, M.O. Rookie prominent scripts to 199, D'Angelo Yancey. To Green Bay, Joseph, H.A. And an Armory booklet, Stefan Diggs. 6 relic Armory, not Stefan, Dalvin Cook. Even better, Dalvin Cook 6 relic Armory booklet. To Minnesota, David, C.A. Very nice. Oh my goodness. I need to look this up. Could have been a better player, but my goodness. Hold on. Silhouettes NFL Shield 1 of 1 Stefan Diggs. Yes, that's where I got Stefan Diggs from before when I called the Armory Stefan Diggs. But that is a 1 of 1 NFL Shield. Yeah. Also to Minnesota, David, C.A. David, that's your NFL Shield. Very nice. And you know it's autoed too, because it's redemption. Very nice. So keep an eye out for the last 2. I mean, if there's enough of you in here, I'd have to know. Well, I suppose I could put it up, and if it doesn't go, we can do it tomorrow. Actually, that's what I'll do. I'll put another one up. If you guys really want to play, you can. If not, we'll just do it tomorrow. It will sell out. There's only 2 of these left that I have here at this price. So that's up. 5 left in Illusions. 7 left in Gold Label. And then a handful left in the high-end Immaculate and Spectra.